There are a lot of ways to soften a sweet potato or yam. You can wrap it in foil and roast it. You can steam it, but I'm going to show you my favorite quick way to do it, which is in the microwave. Start by washing it really thoroughly. Then take a clean towel and dry it. Then I'm going to take a fork and get a little bit of anger out by poking holes in the sweet potato. Make sure you watch your fingers. I like to hold mine in a towel when I'm doing it. It should look like this. Then I'm going to take a damp paper towel and wrap up my sweet potato and then place it on a plate. Then microwave it for 4 to 6 minutes. I'm going to start with 4 minutes. I just got it out after 4 minutes and it's really hot and steaming, which you can see. So I want to be really careful. And then I'm going to take my fork and flip it over. It went through pretty easily, but I want it to be even softer. So I'm going to put it back in for another minute. Just got it out after that extra minute and it looks pretty good. But let's see the real test. I'm gonna take this butter knife and see how easily it cuts through. So you can see, oh, that looks great. You can see that it's softened all the way around, and sometimes at this part right here, it will still be a little bit hard. And if that's the case, you'll just want to close it up like this, wrap it back up in your paper towel and put it in from 30 seconds to a minute until it softens. I find this to be a lot easier than steaming mine, but please let me know how you like to cook yours.